Today we're making this quick and easy but yet delicious shrimp bowl. Let's get into the recipe. So today we're turning pre-cooked day-old white rice into cilantro lime rice, kind of like when you're making fried rice. So I added butter, garlic, onions to a pot, let that saute for about a minute in with some chicken bouillon, black pepper, salt. Then we'll add our pre-cooked white rice. Give it a real good toss and make sure that it's coated well with the butter and the seasonings. Then we will add some lime juice and some fresh cilantro. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make this. But if you want to make it from scratch, I have the recipe on all my platforms. So check it out. But let me tell you, I could not tell the difference between this and the one from scratch because it tastes so good and it was quick and easy. So set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and cook our shrimp. So here I have some large shrimp that I washed, cleaned and deveined, added some oil. Here I'll be using some shrimp bouillon, garlic powder, Old Bay, some seasoned salt, black pepper. I will add it to the shrimp and just mix well to combine. You can use any seasonings you like here. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Next to my preheated skillets, I will cook my shrimp for 2 minutes per side. You never want to overcook your shrimp. So you will cook it for 1 minute per side. Once done, flip it over, cook for another minute. Then you will remove, set aside, and let's proceed to the next step. Now let's make a quick sauce using sour cream, cilantro, and garlic. I will add some lime juice, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Blend to a smooth consistency. If you don't want to use just plain sour cream on your bowl, this here is perfect. Now let's make a quick salsa using corn, tomato, black bean, onions, cilantro, jalapeno, salt, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some lime juice. Mix everything well to combine, and then we can get ready to plate and enjoy. Here you have it, my version of a quick and easy but yet delicious shrimp bowl. If you're a shrimp lover, you will definitely enjoy this. I paired it with some fresh avocados and I added my sauce and it was chef kiss. So give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.